Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. As you can see, your girl is back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a braid out on freshly washed hair. Later on I'll probably do one on stretched hair, but this is what I decided to do today, being that my hair was fairly dirty and needed to be clean. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing my results on how it turns out and the process of doing my braid, I'll just go ahead and keep on watching. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get it popping. I already washed my hair and all that good stuff. It's nice, clean, and fluffy. And right now I have no products on it. So let me go ahead and do my part. I think I'm gonna go with a middle part today. No, I'm gonna stick with the side part. And my hair is kind of already trained to be in the side part because that's what I've been wearing for the last week. So that's just what we're gonna go with. So y'all know what I like to do. If you are OG subby, I like to part my hair off first. I think we're gonna go in 4 sections. So what I'm doing here is just spraying my hair, and now I am just feeling for how big I'm gonna want my sections. Usually my sections aren't the same size, but yeah, I mean, I really don't know what I was going with, but just go ahead and watch. So now I'm just combing the section, and when doing braid outs or any style of this sort, you want to make sure your hair is, you know, detangled. And for this braid out, I'm going to be using the Thank God It's Natural Twist and Define cream. I really love this cream. It's very moisturizing and thick. For my hair, I love thick products. It just really gets in there for me. And I'm just going to go through with the comb again, just to make sure everything is smooth. And it's also nice to see a curl already forming. That lets you know that you're going to have a bomb braid out, twist out, etc. And we're going to go in with the Extreme Gel. I used a gel this time so that my braid out would last longer, because I find that when I don't use a gel, that my braid out does not last. So I'm just using that gel to ensure that, you know, I get a good couple of days out of this braid out. And just combing again. As you can see, I comb a couple of times. And for the braid, I just section my hair into 3 sections. And I just cross the left section over the middle section and the right section over the middle section. And I just do that all the way down. I hope you got that. But if not, I hope this video does it for you if you didn't understand the directions. And on my way down, I just like to make sure everything is smooth. If not, I'll comb on my way down. But this one was pretty smooth, so I didn't have to worry about that. And all the way down to the bottom, you'll see me coil it. So basically just twirl my finger to ensure that I have a little curl there, or a little definition, whatever you would call it. Just to let you guys know, I just grabbed the first thing that I had in my cabinet. You can also do the same. Just make sure you have some sort of cream, a leave-in conditioner, whatever the case may be. You don't have to go with the gel that I used. You could also go with the Eco Styler gel. I know that's pretty popular for a lot of people. It's good in my book. So yeah, you don't have to go with the products that I used. I just grabbed whatever I had. All right, you guys, so this is how my hair is looking so far. I tended to the back first because usually that's the hardest part for me. So I wanted to get that out of the way before I started on the front of my hair. I'm so excited about almost being done, and to be quite honest with you, it's almost past your girl bedtime. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, 11:05. Your girl goes to bed at about 9:30, 10 o'clock. We are all done, ladies. This is how we are looking, or ladies and gents, whoever is watching this. I'm sure we got a few gents out there with long hair that would like to see a little crinkly braid out. It's the finished results before I allow it to dry. I'm gonna allow this to dry overnight. If it is not completely dry in the morning, tomorrow I have to go to work, so if it is not completely dry by tomorrow, I'll just probably go over my braid, each braid with a blow dryer, just to speed up the process of the drying. I would love if I could go like this to work, but I cannot, so just to show you guys how they look. Very luscious. I think the gel is gonna do the trick for this. This is how they are looking. Hey loves, I am back and my hair is completely dry. I didn't have to go over it with the blow dryer or anything like that. They just completely dried on their own. And as you can see, my hair is shiny and glossy. So thank you to the Extreme Gel for that. For the takedown, I'm going to go in with my Dew Grow oil and just go over every braid. And on some of the braids that you see me take down, you'll see me braiding up the opposite way. Kind of makes it a little easier to take them down. The definition is popping, honey. I know it probably won't be like that once I separate, because y'all know I love my big hair, so it's going to be some separating and some picking going on. But I'm proud of the definition. I really am. And now I'm going in with my pick just to give me a little volume. Okay, maybe not a little, but a lot. But if you want to go ahead and just rock it, you know, without it being picked out or separated, you can most definitely do that. That will really ensure that you get more of a day's wear out of them. But y'all know I had to do the most, so. Alright, you guys, so that is my end results. I loved everything about this braid out. It lasted me a good 3 to 4 days. It probably would have lasted me longer if I wouldn't have picked it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one.